All right. So my name's Emily LaBelle. I built the app Destination Finder. So before Voca Code, I worked in retail management. I was a manager of a number of jewelry stores. And before that, I actually went to Palm Beach State for my Associate of Science in Computer Programming. It wasn't challenging enough, so I came here, and this is definitely more challenging. All right. So the problem I face. So in my family, I'm the one who plans my vacations. And it can be so tough. You find, you're looking for destinations that you like, and then you realize they're too expensive, so it's canceled out. The other issues I have is you end up going to those same places over and over again because you know them. And, the research can just be so overwhelming. So my solution, I created an app that contains a quiz that allows you to put in your requirements for a destination, and it gives you back results that meet your needs. It contains cost details of each city, that way you're not blindsided by it once you begin planning. So this is Destination Finder. So when you enter our app, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to our quiz. All right, so let's say Anise, what is your desired climate?
Oh, continental.
All right, and do you have a terrain in mind?
I like mountains.
You like mountains? All right, and what's your budget?
I can ball out.
You can ball out? All right, we'll do 3. All right, so then you can submit your quiz, and your results will come up. So Anise, you'd be going to Park City, Utah. And you can see it does list all of your information, so you can see that our terrains, it will list multiple. So even though you just put in mountains, it also gives you forests. All right, so the next step for our app is you want to log in so you can access some of our other features. So we'll do me, and I'm sorry, but you can't see my password, that's mine. All right, and then you can see it takes you to your account home. So let's say that, my name is not Emile, my name is Emily, so we're gonna update that. And you can see it updates your information. Then you want to go to your destinations list. So if you don't feel like taking a quiz and you'd prefer to just look through a lot of information, this lists everything out for you. So let's say I like Los Angeles, so I'm going to click our like button. And I also like Hawaii. Yes, very classic. So once you favorite your destinations, now you can go back to your favorites page and you can see what you liked. So you can see Los Angeles and Hawaii. And I changed my mind. Los Angeles isn't for me, there's not enough water, I want to go swimming. We're going to take that off. And now you just have Hawaii. All right. Decision made. Okay, so for my tech stack, for my database, I use MongoDB. To make the quiz, it was a lot of querying, and I found that I really needed this database in order to make that possible. For my API, I used Express and Node, and for my front end, I used React. Now, I deployed my front end to AWS, and I deployed my back end to Google Cloud. I also used JSON Web Token in order to secure my login. And if it wants to, there we go. All right, future work. So right now, we're limited to the United States in terms of our destination. So my next step is going to be add for first Canada and South America. Then I want to move on to other continents such as Africa, Europe, and Asia. I also want to refine how the budget is calculated. Right now, it's on a $1 to $3 basis. That is wonderful for restaurants, not so wonderful for your trip. So I want to add another quiz component to it so you can put in how many people are going and all the other information you need. That way you can calculate it better. The next thing I want to do is I want to add popular activities for each city. So if you're going to Las Vegas, you know the most popular casinos, and if you're going to Breckenridge, you know the best ski resorts. So that is my presentation for you guys today. The QR code goes to my LinkedIn, and that's my email. Thank you so much for your time. Greatly appreciated.